Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, you're welcome as well. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about YouTube Studio app. I literally recommend every YouTuber, whether small or big, to delete this app out of your phone. Okay, this is the reason as to why I say this. Imagine after uploading a new video on your YouTube channel, how long does it take you to go to the YouTube Studio app to check how your new video has actually performed? I personally, it takes me less than 5 minutes. I don't know how long it actually takes you, but with me it takes me less than 5 minutes. After checking my new video and knowing how it is actually performing, I don't only stop at that. I'll check my subscription count. Has this video actually brought me some new subscribers? I'll go to the comments and stuff, I'll end up wasting 20-30 minutes just being in that app and not thinking what to do next. I've realized that YouTube Studio app is even becoming a mental issue, a mental problem to some people. It's bringing some mental issues to people. Even I myself, I experienced that. There is a day I woke up around 3 in the night. I don't know how it came and I don't know how I woke up, but I found myself waking up. After waking up, I checked my YouTube Studio. I even did ask myself why. So after all this period, this is when I've realized that it is actually becoming a problem, not to only me, but some people out there. So if you're passing through this, you have to delete that app in your phone. You heard me well. Delete the YouTube Studio app from your phone. After uploading a video, how many times do you spend in the YouTube Studio app per day? You can use this time to utilize new opportunities. You can use this time to promote your content. You can use this time to promote your YouTube channel. Let me hope I'm on a certain point with someone. After uploading your YouTube videos, please don't waste time in the YouTube Studio app. I want you to sit down and look how long time you spend on the YouTube Studio app as a creator. In the 24 hours, how long do you think you spend on that app? Tell us, be open. Have you realized that you're wasting time on that app? Or after watching this video, that's when you have realized? I'm not talking bad about that app, but to some people, it's actually wasting our time. So delete that app out of your phone. Focus on something else. Upload your videos and do different things. Let me hope I'm talking to someone out there. I've literally completely deleted that app out of my phone. Go to Google Chrome, search for youtube.com. Use the website of YouTube Studio rather than using this app, because even that YouTube Studio website has more options than this YouTube Studio app. So in general, delete YouTube Studio app from your phone as a YouTuber. Delete it out because it wastes a lot of time. If that was helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if you're a victim of the YouTube Studio app, let me know also in the comment section. Tell people and let them learn out of your experience. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Please take care. Peace.